Hello friends, welcome to my channel Flavor Stew. Today I'm going to make a very popular North Indian dish, Matar Paneer, just the way as they make in restaurants. This is a tangy, spicy, melt in mouth, very yummy curry. It can be enjoyed with naan, chapatis, parathas or rice. So let's start making it. Take a pan on medium heat. Add 3 teaspoon oil. Once the oil is slightly hot, add 9 to 10 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped 1-inch ginger. Saute it for a minute. Now add roughly chopped 1 medium onion. Saute it till the onions are translucent. We don't want to brown it. Add 1 green chilli. Roughly chopped 2 tomatoes, half a teaspoon salt. Mix it well and cook it till the tomatoes are soft and nice. This looks good. Now let's remove it in a bowl and let it cool. And once it is cool, we'll grind it in a smooth paste. Now take a pan on medium heat, add 4 teaspoon oil. When the oil is hot enough, add half teaspoon cumin seeds and let it crackle. Now add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix it for 30 seconds and immediately add onion tomato paste. Adding Kashmiri red chilli powder in oil gives a very nice color to the gravy. Mix it well. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix it. Now we'll cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. The masala has started oozing oil. We'll cook it further till the masala reduces to half. This slow roasting of masala will give the gravy a very nice flavor. Keep stirring to make sure it doesn't burn. See, the masala has reduced to half and it is looking so nice. Now add 1/4 cup water. I have rinsed my grinder jar and used the same water. Give it a mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala powder. 200 grams paneer cubes, 1/4 cup frozen peas, that is mutter. If you are using fresh peas, then make sure you saute it in some oil before adding. Add salt to taste. Remember, we have also added salt while making onion tomato paste. Mix it. Adjust the consistency of the gravy as you like. I have added half cup of water. Mix it gently. Make sure you don't break the paneer cubes. Now cover and cook for 5 minutes. Wow, our Mutter Paneer looks so delicious and it is smelling so good. Switch off the flame and finish up by adding finely chopped fresh coriander. Give it one last mix. Now we'll remove it in a serving bowl. This spicy, tangy, mouth-watering restaurant-style Mutter Paneer is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with fulkas and naan. Enjoy!